Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the JennAir app is and how it's positioned. The JennAir app is a smart home and appliance control app, and according to official App Store listings, it is designed to connect and manage JennAir smart appliances from a mobile device. Based on official descriptions, the app allows users to remotely control appliances, monitor their status, and receive real-time updates from anywhere using Wi-Fi connectivity. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The app falls under smart home and lifestyle tools, and official sources state that it includes a culinary center with step-by-step recipes, cooking guidance, and timers built into the app experience. According to official information, users can send cooking instructions directly to connected appliances, which may help automate certain kitchen tasks. There are also features like real-time notifications, which provide updates on cooking cycles, appliance status, and maintenance alerts. Official descriptions mention smart home integration, allowing voice control through systems like Google Assistant or Alexa on supported devices. The app also includes remote diagnostics and maintenance reminders, which are designed to help identify issues and keep appliances running efficiently. There are additional features like downloadable appliance updates and custom cycles, which may allow appliances to gain new functionality over time. The platform is positioned as a connected ecosystem, bringing multiple appliances like ovens, refrigerators, and dishwashers into one interface. Some features require compatible Wi-Fi-enabled appliances and remote-enable settings, which should be considered a limitation for unsupported devices. This app may be useful for users who want centralized control and automation of their kitchen and home appliances. For users interested in combining smart home control with guided cooking and remote monitoring, this could be an option depending on their setup. Some aspects such as compatibility, connectivity, or feature availability across appliances may vary and should be considered potential limitations. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.